Move on and talk about it's been 3 days now since that Air India fatal crash of flight AI 171 that crashed soon after takeoff, seconds rather after takeoff, where over 240 lives that were lost. One miraculously the survivor, what is now being said that he's recovering quite well. But right now, as of now, there has been a 3-member team of Air India that is reportedly right now at the crash site. A team of Boeing is also likely to visit later in the day. In fact, when it comes to the AAIB officials that have also visited the site. Now, this is now coming at a time when there are multiple teams that have been dispatched to the crash site, where they have been assessing what all could be the possible reasons that the plane went down. When it comes to the former Gujarat CM's DNA samples, that this is now what we are getting to know that seems to have matched, and the DNA samples of Vijay Rupani, who was on that ill-fated flight, was on his way to London to be reunited with his family. Now, this is a confirmation that has been given by Harsh Sanghvi that the DNA samples have now been matched. This is obviously on the procedures that has been taking place of those bodies that have been retrieved and recovered from the crash site, as they have been sent for DNA sampling so that they can be matched with that of their families, the bodies that can be then handed to their families so that they can perform their last rites and rituals. Well, Nilesh, Vijay Rupani's remains, that seems to be a DNA sample match that has been confirmed. It seems that his mortal remains will be now handed over to his family.
Samita, what we are picking up from the hospital sources is that as of now, 35 bodies have been confirmed of their identities. And among this, around 15 of them has been handed over to the family members. Now, what we are learning the latest is the fact that the ex-CM of Gujarat, that is Vijay Rupani's mortal remains, have also been identified, and this information has also been conveyed by the current CM to the family members of Vijay Rupani. Now, what we are expecting is shortly the family members of Vijay Rupani will be reaching out to the civil hospital, wherein the bodies have been kept, and soon it will be handed over to the family, which will be taken to the Rajkot area, which is almost 200 plus kilometers away from Ahmedabad. So the last ritual, the last rites will be done in that area at his hometown. Later on, other functions will follow. Now, what we are learning is that the doctors are finding it extremely difficult to conduct that DNA sample because the fact remains that the body itself is now in its natural state is decomposing, and which is why we have been stating that how the dental analysis as well as the bone marrow analysis is currently being done by the officials. Now, they have to say that the duration is extending all to the fact that they have a huge number of bodies that they need to go through, and since it is a huge tragedy that has struck a family, hundreds of family, and they do not want to make any mistakes, and which is why they are taking extra measures, extra precaution to confirm the identity of each and every body, and which is why a window of 48 hours to 78 hours has been given out to the family members.
Well, the DNA matching process that has been accelerated till now, what is being said, at least 30 samples that have matched multiple bodies that still remain at the civil hospital, where this process of matching DNA samples with the bodies and with their respective families is being done. This is what the Gujarat minister said.
गुजरात के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री, हमारे नेता, कई सालों तक गुजरात के कोने कोने में जिन्होंने अपना जीवन का महत्तम समय सामाजिक सेवा में दिया था, ऐसे हमारे नेता श्री विजय भाई रूपानी जी का एयर इंडिया अहमदाबाद गेटविक की फ़्लाइट के क्रैश में दुखद अवसान हुआ है। और ख़ास तौर पे आज सुबह करीबन 11:10 को उनका DNA मैच हुआ है। उनका पार्थिव शरीर परिवार एवं वरिष्ठ आगेवानों के साथ चर्चा होने के बाद आज 1 बजे समय नक्की होगा और आगे की जानकारी आप सबको दी जाएगी।
The DNA has matched with that of Vijay Rupani, the former Gujarat chief minister who was on that ill-fated flight that crashed. He was on his way to London, and while the Prime Minister was there in Ahmedabad, he also met with the family members, the grieving family members of the former Chief Minister. And now what is being said that latest by this evening, the mortal remains would be handed over to his family, and so that the last rites that could be conducted, what is being said in all likelihood, it would be conducted tomorrow in Rajkot. Let's in the meantime speak of the Civil Aviation Minister as well, because Nilesh, that has been the important point that we are getting to know. Multiple teams that are at the spot where they have been conducting their respective investigation. There are teams that are also coming from the side of Boeing as well. There have been also instructions that have been given as soon as possible when it comes to certain SOPs and procedures would be set in place so that all of the Dreamliners that are currently with Air India, their inspection that is also been taking place.
Well, yes, absolutely, Amita. It is day 4 of the incident, and as of now, multiple questions are still unanswered, and which is why we can see how the investigating agencies are working tirelessly. Not one or two, but multiple agencies are functioning into the probe. Now, what we're learning that as of today, just moments back, multiple agencies from the aviation department had reached out to the crash site, including that of AAIB and DGCA, and Air India officials had also reached out to the site. Now various reports are being taken into consideration. Now just yesterday we saw that how the ministry, while briefing and addressing media, conveyed that window of 2-3 months has been given out to submit.
परिवार तय करके बोलेगा कि उनके पार्थिव देह को किस तरह से राजकोट ले जाना है, वो परिवार तय करके बोलेगा, उसी हिसाब से राज्य सरकार काम करेगी। वो सब परिवार तय करेगा और राजकोट स्थित निवासी हमारे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के और परिवार के जन के लोग जो भी फैसला करेगा उस हिसाब से उनके अंतिम दर्शन की या फिर अंतिम संस्कार विधि की जो प्रक्रिया करनी है वो लोग परिवार के लोग तय करेंगे।
Well, Arunil is also connected with us at the crash site itself, where we've been getting the information of the teams that have been there at the ground where the crash site, which has been completely cordoned off. Arunil, what more information can you share with us?
Well, we have visuals as well, Amita. Basically, a team of Boeing is inside the crash site, basically coordinating and inspecting with the team of AAIB as well as the DGCA. At present, I'm reporting from the BJ Medical College. This is the crash site. In some time now, the CM of Gujarat, Bhupendra Patel, is also expected over here. This will be his 3rd visit. He was with PM Modi. He was with Home Minister Amit Shah as well, who had visited on the day of the crash. Sometime back, a 3-member team of Air India also visited over here. It seems like the AAIB as well as DGCA is summoning both the Boeing team as well as the team of Air India to get more technical details as well as to understand from the debris of the aircraft which crashed into the mess of this college. Some of the debris of the aircraft has already been cleared, Amita. A part is already there, and it seems like they are searching for some more crucial evidences. Yes, the most significant evidence that they have got till now obviously is the black box. The inference or conclusion of the black box is got
where Arunil is reporting from is very close to the crash site, barely a kilometer away, and pictures that have been coming in of the entire area that is now being cordoned off. But there are teams there that have been assessing the situation. Boeing team is also said to be at the crash site. We'll continue to get you more live updates. In the meantime, we head into a short break.